Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Okay, so all are busy and all are feeling bored at home, I hope. Yes, but don't. So go on doing some drawing also. So today you have to draw this picture of solar system. How many planets are there? Neptune, Saturn, Mars, Venus, Sun, Mercury, Earth, Jupiter. Yes, so there are total 9 planets. Yes, here today we are going to learn about the solar system and the Galileo. So in the last class we have discussed about Galileo. Who is Galileo? Galileo is a scientist, astronomist, and he is a physicist also. Yes, he told us and he taught us that sun is not rotating, the earth and other planets are rotating around the sun. Yes. Okay, so what did Galileo do? Galileo invented the telescope. Telescope is the instrument which helps us to study about the sun, moon and stars and heavenly bodies. Yes, okay. So then what he did? He told about the moon. How the moon is. We all, by seeing the moon, we say it is so white and shiny, but the actual moon is having a lot of shapes like mountains and all. How do we have on the earth? Same like mud, stone and all. And after a few days back we got the images of the moon, and there is the presence of the mud but no oxygen. Okay, and nowadays scientists have started to prepare the bricks which can be used to build buildings on the moon. They are preparing the bricks. ಇಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೂನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So he was the professor in Padua in the Venice. The Venice professor, the Venice ruler took Galileo as a professor of astronomy in the University of Padua. Then he started to go on inventing different shapes of telescopes which made to see the things larger than earlier. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲಿರೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುನ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. If you go for science centers and all, you see the telescope. ದೂರ ಒಂದು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಮೀಪದಾಗ ಕಾಣೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್. So this is the University of Padua. Then he used the teachings of Copernicus. What Copernicus told? Copernicus told that the earth and other planets are revolving round the sun. Copper could not, however, prove this to the men of his day, but few people paid any great attention to his ideas. So people did not listen to him. Then Galileo was the first great student of astronomy to realize that the ideas of Copernicus were true, and the first scholar to to teach them at the university. So Copernicus was the first man to teach in the university. Later Galileo was the person to started teaching. But later on what happened? The people of the church did not believe in Copernicus. Later on it has stopped. Then Galileo started his teaching that the moon is having different shape, that means not smooth, and the the earth and other planets are rotating the sun and the moon. They are not rotating, we are rotating around the sun. Even like moon, the sun is also having different structure on its shape. Okay, so later on he was sent to the prison. ಜೈಲ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಜೈಲ್ನಾಗೆ ಅವನು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ when the book came out, the inquisition once again ordered him to appear before it to be tried as non-believer. ಸೊ ನೀನು ದೇವರನ್ನೇ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ he was sent to prison. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೌ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆನ್, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾನ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಹೋಮ್ 22 days ಲೇಟರ್. ಸೊ 22 ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್, so this is the story of our Galileo. Let us start reading the lesson and knowing the details of the Galileo's life story. Okay, so it is common knowledge today that the earth is planet revolving around the sun. Now we all know that earth is revolving around the sun, but there was a time not many centuries ago even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. So even learned men also believed that earth was fixed and the sun and other heavenly bodies are moving around the earth. But it is not true. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei, who told us that earth is rotating around the sun and the moon. That is the one and only the scientist, great scientist Galileo Galilei. When did he born? He born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa. Where did he born? He born in the town of Pisa, Italian town. In the year 1608, a man called Hans Lippershey, a native of Poland, invented the telescope. First, the telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey in the year 1608. The instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. So what is the telescope? The instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. So the telescope helps us to see far objects into near objects. Example, when we are driving the bike or a car, at that time we see the images in the mirror bigger, but they are far away. Yes, in front of us there is a small mirror, in that we see the images near, sameepda kaanustava, adradu dur irtav. Yes, so that is not telescope, but same as that, the telescope also helps us to see the skies, about the sky and study about it. When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. When he heard that Hans Lippershey has invented the telescope, he got interest to know what is that telescope. He had at this time begun to study astronomy. Then at that time he started to study astronomy. And he saw that the invention would be wonderful aid to the astronomer. So if I studied with the help of telescope, I will be a great astronomer. He set to work on making a telescope for himself, and very soon he succeeded in making one which was better than the Hans Lippershey. So after seeing the Hans Lippershey's telescope, he also thought to do one more telescope. He did better than Hans Lippershey's. So Hans Lippersheyಗಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್, ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ he started. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಒಂದು ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. With the bare eyes means ಬರೀ ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ, without wearing anything, we see a star. But it looks very small, just shines. But when we see with the telescope, we can see its exact shape and size. Okay, so he could see with his bare eyes. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. So when he saw with the help of telescope the Milky Way is nothing but it is a place where the groups of stars are rotating. Yes, ಏನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತವೆ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಲು ಚೆಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಚುಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣ್ತಾವೆ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಹಾಲು ಚೆಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he was filled with was amazing. When he turned the telescope towards the sky, he saw millions and millions of stars. He was amazed. On the moon's surface, which seems so smooth, we can see the moon so bright at night and so smooth, but not exactly. He saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on earth. Galileo saw many mountains and valleys on the moon, same as on earth. Greatly excited by these discoveries, so he started his discoveries. People came to know the Galileo's inventions. Galileo carried his telescope to Venice and showed it to the learned men of that city. So he took his telescope to show the intelligent people about the telescope and the sun, moon and the sun. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. Looking tube means a telescope. Everyone came to his house to see the telescope, and by using the telescope to see the sun and the moon. They took it to the top of high buildings and looked through it at the ships out in the sea, where they used the telescope to see the ships sailing in the sea. They saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. So see, what is the magic of the telescope means when he saw with bare eyes it was 50 miles far. 50 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ನಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪಿಂದ 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ದೂರನಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. Because in those days they were not knowing ships, where are the ships, so they used it first. When the ruler of Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo professor for life at the University of Padua. So when he showed that about the magic of the telescope, the ruler of Venice called him and he took Galileo as the professor of University at Padua. The first telescope that Galileo made magnified objects 3 times their size. So now again he started making changes in the telescope and he made it to see the smaller things into bigger 3 times. Yes. Later he made one that magnified them 8 times. Yes. So first ಏನಾಯಿತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಸಮೀಪದಿಂದ ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಅಂಥ ವಸ್ತುನ ಸಮೀಪದಾಗೆ ಕಾಣೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ 8 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 8, ಈಗ ಒಂದದಂದರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಟು 8 ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ 30 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಯರರ್. ಡೈಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 30 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಯರರ್, 30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ನಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇರೋ ವಸ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಸಮೀಪದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Is it amazing, no? See how he was in that time when there were no computers, no mobile, no electricity, nothing. He invented that. But we are in every facility. What we are doing? We are sitting in front of the TV, watching TV from morning to evening and sleeping whole night. No anything invention, no any discoveries we are doing at our home. Are you doing? Yes, try to do some inventions and discoveries and improve your knowledge by reading books and watching some useful channels. I am not telling you to don't watch TV, but use which is useful for you. Watch the shows, watch this news which makes you to improve your knowledge. I hope you all follow my words. Fine. With the aid of this telescope, he made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. With the aid of this telescope, that means by using telescope, he made important discoveries about the planets. He found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved round it. So around the Jupiter, he saw very little moon-shaped, round-shaped white balls. He found that the sun also had spots on it. We can't see the sun by bare eyes, but when he saw with the help of telescope, he found that the sun had spots on it. Spots means ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಥರ ಕಲಿಗಳಿದ್ದು. That the spots slowly moved across its face. ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು. He found from this that the sun like earth spins around itself. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪಿಂದ ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋಗೆ ಸನ್ನು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ತಿರುಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Sun, moon, they won't rotate. We rotate around the sun and moon. Some 50 years earlier, a Polish astronomer called Copernicus. So, Galileo ಹುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷ ಮೊದಲು ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, a Polish astronomer called Copernicus had declared that the earth was a planet like other planets. Copernicus told that earth is also a planet of other planets, that like them it revolved round the sun. Before telling by the Galileo, Copernicus told, ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ Copernicus ಏನಂತ, earth is rotating round the sun and the moon. But people did not believe it. ಜನ ನಂಬಿರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ನಂಬಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಉಳಿದೋರು ಯಾರು ನಂಬಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ, Galileo ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Copernicus could not, however, prove this to the men of his day, and few people paid any attention on his ideas. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ, because he was not using the telescope to show them. Yes, Galileo was the first great student of astronomy to realize that the ideas of Copernicus were true. So only Galileo was the first person to prove the ideas of Copernicus were true, and the first scholar to begin to teach them at the university. His new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men, because it meant that all their teaching was completely wrong. the first scholar to begin to teach them at the university. So Copernicus, about the Copernicus ideas, Galileo was the first person to teach. His new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men. So all were interested in Galileo's teaching now, because it meant that all their teaching was completely wrong. ಏನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸೋದೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ ರೀ, ಯಾವ ಕಲಿಸೋದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ವ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಅಪೋಸ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳೋದೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ರೂಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆನಿಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಚರ್ಚ್. His ideas about the sun and the earth were different from what the Bible seemed to say, so the followers of the church began to look upon him as a wicked and dangerous man. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚ್ನಾಗ ಬೈಬಲ್ನಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದದ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವನಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The church had in those days a court called Inquisition. In the church there were some group of people, they told that you are telling your teaching is wrong, fully opposite, which tried and punished those that it considered unbelievers. ಸೊ ನೀನು ದೇವ್ರನ್ನ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ, ಬೈಬಲನ್ನು ನಂಬಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀನು ದೇವ್ರನ್ನ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Galileo was asked to appear before this court. He was questioned about his beliefs and was asked to kneel and declare that he no longer believed that the earth moved around the sun. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಊರು ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಊರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ, ಸನ್ ಮೂನೇ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಅರ್ತ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, he knew that if he refused to make this declaration, he might be put in prison. ಸೊ ಅವನಿಗೇನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ನಾನೀಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು, ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಒಯ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಂಬಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಜೈಲಿನಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. He knew that if he refused means ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, to make this declaration he might put in prison means jail, and he perhaps tortured, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ ನಾವು, and he feared torture, ನಂಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ತಾಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋ obeyed their order. ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಒಬೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ. There is a story that as he rose from his knees after his public declaration, ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಊರಿ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತವ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಾಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಮೂವ್. ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗೇನೋ ಹೇಳೀನಿ, ಆದರೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸನ್ ಮೂನ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಗೆಲಿಲಿಯೋ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವಿಕ್ಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಎನಿಮೋರ್. ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನೋಡು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. But Galileo did not obey the orders for long. He continued his studies and after a time started teaching his ideas again. So after some time he started again his own ideas to teach. He wrote a book in which he criticized the old belief. Then he wrote one book in that he said that about the blind beliefs, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಸ್, ಹಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೈತಾನೆ. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪದಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್, ದ ಇನ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಬಿಲೀವರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸಿ ಏನೇನು ದೇವರನ್ನ ನಂಬಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಸನ್. ಹೀಗೆ ದಿನ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೀತೋ ಆ ಥರ ದಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕರೆಸಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀನು ನಾನ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಗಾಡ್. After a long trial, he was sent to prison, but as he was now an old man, he was allowed to go home 22 days later. 22 ದಿನ ಜೈಲ್ನಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಪಾಪ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So how was Galileo. Galileo was the person who taught us that the earth is rotating around the sun and the moon. We don't know if we don't know this, we would not think about it. So we should read about our science and scientists. Okay, so today it is end up our class here. In the next class we will discuss the question answers of the Galileo lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Keep on watching. Bye. Have a great time.